The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is still improving. The tech community has been inundated with leaks and speculations about Samsung's much-awaited Galaxy S24 Ultra, providing us with a sneak peek at the device's possible hardware and software capabilities. With the S24, Samsung claims to have developed a set of AI technologies that will completely change the way we interact with technology. The bezel shrank and the cutout for the front camera shrunk. The phone looks very amazing since it is now much thinner overall. Additionally, the screen protector for the whole S24 series has leaked, exposing very thin bezels. AI-powered real-time translation for calls and texts will be available in the S24 lineup. This technology is positioned to eliminate language boundaries and facilitate seamless, worldwide communication. The S24 lineup also has an additional impressive AI function that analyzes customers' use habits and commonly used apps, proactively providing results to simplify hard tasks. In essence, he is stating that the Galaxy S24 makes use of artificial intelligence to comprehend your everyday activities and phone use patterns. It examines your use patterns and frequently used apps. The phone may do the following clever automated tasks with this information. For example, it may serve as your trip companion. The phone can tell you about the weather and traffic along the way, as well as how long it will take you to get someplace. Also, it may recommend apps that you might require for your travels. By creating emails for you, the S24 of May make your professional life much simpler. The ideal way to compose an email is based on what you often say, so if you tell the phone to send one, it will do it for you. To put it simply, the Galaxy S24 attempts to make your life simpler by gathering personal data about you and using it to assist you with chores without requiring you to seek for assistance each time. There are rumors that the One UI 6.1 on the Galaxy S24 lineup contains many AI elements that are smoothly integrated across numerous functions. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.